I don't know if I can say Kaizer Jr. is manipulative or is well spoken. Kodwa sikho lapho. Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to PK Sports with Bongi Nkosi. Ngithemba ukuthi ni kahle, niyaphila. Danko. So all these years, Kaizer Jr. and his brother, they were studying Kaizer Chiefs fans. They now understand how we as fans behave. They know the right things to say in front of us to get through us. And they tell us things that you want to hear, not what you are supposed to hear. Him going in the public platform saying that the coaches, they have a huge responsibility. And also saying that their aim is to finish strongly this season and they want to play Champions League next season. Those are great things to say in front of the public eye because you know Guti, you are a person of influence. But the reality is, since there's nothing new. There's nothing new, to be honest. Him saying those words, it simply means that he knows very well ukuthi it's easy to control them. But akusekho njalo, iqiniso siyalazi and angeke libalekele. I understand the fact that he's trying to seem as if they are setting an ultimatum for the coaches by saying ukuthi they need the result as soon as possible. The result must come quick. Kushukuthi, if they not, he knows what to expect from the fans. And I will be mnandi when the fans react. And it is something that I will not promote. But the thing is, promising the fans Champions League football next season is beyond making a promise that we know very well it won't be kept. Pella, to be honest, to play Champions League football, you need to be number 1 or number 2. Is Kaizer Chiefs capable of finishing as number 1 or number 2? What is he telling us? It simply means that Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns must lose majority of the games that are remaining. And Kaizer Chiefs must win majority of the games that are remaining. Is that possible? By the look of things, what is happening right now? Because they might try to calm things down, do all the speeches, but because the players, the body language will show even after what they've said. Good to know. They might have said this, but Tinas Fumelana, because angeke uyilawula ingqondo yazi ingqondo islima ngendlela enye isima. Intshela ngisho usemsebenzini iyazi ukuthi uya offer kusasa, ngazathi vele relax. Even if nanoma ingafuni ukwenza into, same thing, ngeke uyiforce. The players angeke baforce ukuthi they will do everything in their power to play for the coaches. It seems like vele abasekho. But we cannot be negative that much. Let's give them the benefit of the doubt because that's the thing we always give them because they promise, but at the end of the day, they don't keep their promises. And the Nanisen cartel, I'm sure, was their promises. Another thing, if they want to play Champions League football, it simply means their fate lies in Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns, since they are still participating in CAF Champions League, Baguma quarterfinals, they must win the CAF Champions League so that next season they qualify automatically. So it simply means Betway Premiership, they will take 3 teams. Number 1 or number 2, the Mamelodi Sundowns. Sazi if Sundowns is about number 1, simply means with to number 2 or number 3. Simply means with the Kaizer Chiefs Melenze, you finish with number 3. So now there are 2 options. It's either we finish at number 3, they pray with Mamelodi Sundowns, yeah, win the Champions League, or bazenzela ngokwa. Are they capable? That's the question mina ngiyibuza again. As in Bukele. are they capable with the squad, with the co-coaches? Because these things are correlated. In order for the squad to do well, the coaches must do well. In order for the coaches to do well, the target and the messages and the decisions from the board must align with the plan, because it's three things here that are involved. It's the strategic decisions from the board management, tactical decisions from the coach, including operational decisions from the players. So kwabheda one child, it's a chain. Angeke kube neqanda inkukhu engekho. But asikho lapho kakhulu. I hope nizizwe kahle yonke into imnandi. It's Friday. Asixoxeni, let's discuss nje ukuthi what can change. Because it's clear ukuthi they are not willing to fire the coaches. So what are the reviews that they are talking about? Good. What can they change? Because bayabona ukuthi kuyala. What can they change? Ngokubona kwenu mkhosi. What is changeable laphana? Because for now I'd say ukuthi the way they understand how we behave, they know very well ukuthi come next 2 matches, if they win them, siyokhohlwa nokuthi konje bekunjeya. That's how they understood us from long time ago. With okay, if we can tell them things that they want to hear, angeke bagoloze kakhulu, because they know ukuthi angeke siye ndawo no matter what. Because isilungu sakhe uKaizer Jonas akuthola vele ulambile, singakulahla phansi, because singasho ukuthi those are people who went to school bafundiswa ngendlela yokukhuluma in the public space, because yena uzokudribula nje ngalama bombastic. But asikho lapho ke kakhulu. Let's get to another story or topic of the day, talking about drama. You know, Kaizer Chiefs and drama, two best friends. Bheda ngala kuphinde kubhede ngala. Ngasikudala besenkingeni khanjiswa ama-court ngenxa kaVelebhayi noBatman. Now sekuvuke another issue futhi. Another Cape Town Spurs player ethathwe Chiefs, and this time is not for the senior team, it's for the juniors or the youth, I may say, under 16 with Kaizer Chiefs with development. I'm talking about Emile Dudley, the younger brother of Roshan Dudley. And here we know very well ukuthi umuntu omrecruitile uyu mfowabo, akekho umuntu. So now Cape Town Spurs nayo futhi ayifuni ngeClarence. Simply means ukuthi ngazathi yona neKaizer Chiefs impi yabo iseyophela kudala. The reason why bangafuni ngale player le, because they see the talent ukuthi babona umfowabo kuye. They play the same position, left center back and the left back. And Motiam Mbega, he's technically good. He has the height. And the manager abafuni ngaye because they know very well ukuthi they've been losing these youngsters mahala while they trying by all means to develop them. And they don't get an opportunity to receive a compensation fee. And Alexis Tatu, I'm sure akayifuna la ihambe khona iChiefs because of ama-diamond amabili. And now sebafuna ukuthatha ke i-diamond nyana. Kona songamane uthini, but kumele umzwele is painful. It's painful. Yes, he's going for a good and a great opportunity naturally, because he knows very well good. He can develop, he can get all the tools that he may need to become a great player in future. Not only for Kaizer Chiefs, but become a better player. So, I don't know ukuthi manje ukuthi na ama-free agent esesiwafuna na kuma youth levels asa-understand which is which kahle kahle. Which is which. I don't know. You comment section. Let's discuss ukuthi kahle kahle what is it that is a problem in Natural? Because I believe that even if you can get a new coach, but if they still do the same thing of not keeping their promises, ucoach angeke ayenze lento leyo, angimele ayenze, because they need the right tools in order for them to work properly. Yinto eyahambisa nayo, bampromise ukuthi sokutholela, but maseka khona babona ukuthi no, ukwazile ukuwina i-Nedbank Cup ngawo lama player khona, so it simply means ukuthi is capable. Unabo abantu angeke ngimelane mina nalento le. Iliphi icup engalwina ngoChiva Vere League because ngilichayisile vele nale. And now manje they are piling the pressure kuma coaches bafuna kuze kube njani, because Kaizer Chiefs is a big club. Let's be honest, big clubs must do things and move like big clubs. Angeke kuzohlulwa eMarumo Gallants. Marumo Gallants ibonile ukuthi uAlexandra Lafferty akayinex bamhambisa. I-Chiefs yona ifuna kuze kube njani, sibuyele ku-number 9 khani bawubona ukuthi kahle kahle ayihlangani lento abazama ukuyizama nalama co-coaches. Hayi, it's too much, and manje ayisabekezeleleki because it builds a resentment to many fans, because uzwa kancane kancane ikhulunywa ngendaba zama-boycotting ama-matches, but they want to hold a peaceful march to natural. Kuze kufike lapho ayinqandwanga ngani from ekuqaleni lento. The decisions that they take sometimes abulala bona ekugcineni, and the fans bazithola baphakathi kule ngqoshunqo, because it's not nice to see ama teams enza kahle because ama decisions athathwayo, they are sporting decisions and they make sure ukuthi they benefit the club. But for the Chiefs, it's all about them benefiting than the club benefiting, and the fans get affected. Akusinto right, but asiphume lapho. I hope nisese kahle, nibe ne-weekend emnandi. Ungakhohlwa ke ukulike nokusubscribe if awaka-subscribe. Let's grow this channel together. Ikhosi aliphelo moya. Danko.